Okay, let's do example 2 and 3, and that will tie up this issue of historic and future cost and future registration. So it's registration we've been looking at. So example 2 now looks at the future and literally says, okay, listen, your person's been making sales, children toys, standard rated, constant 6,000 per month. So 6,000 a month. Currently, if you stick to that, you're at 72 grand. You haven't hit the threshold, so you're okay. It's not compulsory to register. But on the 15th of July, you now have the intention, you have evidence that you will exceed that threshold because you're going to get an order for 80,000 in the next 30 days, which in addition to your current ongoing sales of 6,000 will take you over the threshold. This date is significant. Straight away, you will have to start charging VAT from that date. You will have to, if you like, notify HMRC. You are liable to register from that date, if you like, and you must notify HMRC within 30 days of that date. So that date is, this date is the central date, the 15th of July. So 15th of July, a month from now, you must notify HMRC by the 15th of August, but you will charge HMRC for that month in which you are registered or liable to register. Right, and that's example 2. Example 3 is very much just a few bits, but similar. Here we are, bookseller, 0 rated, estimated sales £100, 100,000 per month. So I mean, kick off straight away, future registration, just exactly the example we did in a similar example to example 2. So straight away from the 1st of January, you are liable to register. You must let HMRC know by the HMRC know by 30 days from here. So technically that is this is the little trick with these things, is 30 days. The 31st or the 30th, 30 days, the 30th of January, 30 days from now, you must let them know. So I would say by the 31st of January personally, because that's 30 days from here. So you must let them know by 30 days, 31st of January. Estimated sales, yeah, there we are. So that's you have to let them know by then. With this one, with the plumbing, here we are, so 12,400. So we have 12,400 per month. So you literally need to know, when am I going to get to 85,000? So 12,400. Let me just do this here. Where are we? So here we are. So 1st of April. Emily. This is Emily we're talking about. Emily. So here's Emily. So 30th of April. We have 12,400. So 12,400. 12,000. In effect, I guess what I could just do is say 85,000 divided by 12,400. And that takes me to about 6 point something. So it means that by in my 7th month, I will hit my threshold. So where am I? So 30th of April, 30th of April, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So whilst I'm in the month of October, which is my 7th month, right, because this is 6 point something or whatever, I will hit my threshold. So my key date there is the end of October. So I'm liable by the 31st of October. I must let HMRC know by the 30th of November, and I'm effectively registered by effectively registered by the 1st of December, which is the first day of the second month following October. That's the principle there. And here, funeral services are entirely exempt. So there's just nothing. No, we're not interested. At least not until some new chancellor says something different. But for now, they're entirely exempt in terms of funeral costs. And that's how we deal with example 2 and 3. So the key point here is to understand what the historic costs are. You just have to remember that and know what they are. They're just kind of, like I say, they're just rules that you have to follow and practice them. Cool, great stuff. I'll see you in the next video.